In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook ads more effective. Whether you're a small business owner, a digital marketer, or just curious about the world of Facebook ads, you're in the right place. Enhancing your Facebook ad efficiency not only drives better engagement, but can significantly reduce your cost per acquisition, helping your budget go further. Let's dive in. First and foremost, begin by navigating to your Facebook Business Manager. This is your command center for all things Facebook advertising, offering a comprehensive overview of your ad accounts, pages, and the tools required to manage them effectively. Once you've arrived at the Facebook Business Manager, you'll notice a button prompting you to log in with your Facebook account. Click this button to proceed. It's important that you log in using the account associated with your business page to ensure you have access to all the necessary features and permissions for ad management. After logging in, choose the correct account to proceed. This step is crucial for those managing multiple business pages or ad accounts. Selecting the right one will help you avoid any confusion or errors down the line. Following your account selection, head over to the lower left panel of your dashboard and look for an option labeled Ads. A simple click here will open the doorway to the realm of ad creation and management. Immediately after clicking on Ads, find and select Ads Manager. This tool is your hub for crafting, editing, and analyzing your Facebook ad campaigns. It's designed to provide insights and controls to refine and optimize your advertising efforts. Now it's time to jump into the real action. Go to the Campaigns tab within your Ads Manager. This tab allows you to view all your campaigns and dive deeper into the settings and performance of each. Inside the campaign section, you'll notice an option to click on Ads. Selecting this takes you closer to mastering the effectiveness of your Facebook ads. Here you can see all the ads under your selected campaign, offering a bird's eye view of what's active, what's performing well, and what might need a bit of tweaking. The essence of making your ads more effective lies in the Edit button. By clicking on Edit, you unlock the capability to modify and enhance every aspect of your ad, from the creative elements like images and text to targeting and budget settings. For those looking to attract more engagement, selecting New Engagement Ad Set might just be your golden ticket. This option allows you to specifically tailor your ad set to focus on engagement such as likes, shares, and comments, helping to amplify the reach and interaction with your content. Next up, Audience Controls. This powerful feature enables you to refine your target audience based on a myriad of factors including demographics, interests, and behaviors. By clicking on Audience Controls, you can ensure your ad reaches the people most likely to engage with your message. Don't overlook the Show More Options button. This hidden gem offers additional targeting criteria that can further sharpen your audience focus, making your ad dollars work smarter, not harder. Nearing the final stretch, it's time to infuse your ad with the secret sauce, keywords. By typing in relevant keywords into the provided field, you optimize your ad to target users based on their interests and online behaviors, significantly increasing the likelihood of capturing the attention of potential customers. Lastly, with the confidence that you've crafted a finely tuned advertisement poised for success, hit the Publish button. This action sends your ad into the digital ether of Facebook, where it will start attracting views, engagements, and hopefully customers. In wrapping up, remember that the key to making your Facebook ads more effective lies in continuously analyzing performance and being willing to tweak and test different elements. Keep exploring new strategies, stay updated with Facebook's ever-evolving ad platform, and never stop optimizing. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on boosting the efficiency of your Facebook ads. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, leveraging these insights can make a significant difference in your social media marketing success. Happy advertising!